Hello everyone, thank you for being here. This is Goose AutoWorks and today we're talking about protective coatings. Specifically, we're going to take a closer look at graphene ceramic spray. What is it? How does it work? And is it worth it? Or is it just snake oil? Huh? Snake oil? Because this is a bio. So I'm sure by now you've at least heard of ceramic coatings. A ceramic coating is a compound solution that once cured creates a ceramic polymer. So in other words, ceramic coatings are a liquid that dries to create a very strong and durable surface when applied over your car's paint. Ceramic coatings are usually made from silicon dioxide or silica, which is what glass is made of. So now you can kind of see how that would give you a hard, shiny, protective layer over your paint. Graphene coatings are a type of ceramic coating but are made using graphite, which is carbon-based, just like a diamond. Ever heard of them? So graphene coatings are more durable and typically last longer than ceramic coatings. Both of these products are offered in a few tier options. So there's the professional level products applied by pros with the licenses to buy them and the skills to apply them. This option can run you anywhere between $800 and $1,200 or more, depending on the level of paint work involved before applying the coating. This will also give you the longest protection, so that's typically around 5 to 7 years or so. But next, there are the DIY kits made with very similar grades of product that professionals use, but for less money, and if you're applying it yourself, you're spending nothing but your time on labor. This option can run between 60 to 200 bucks, depending on how much material you need, where you get it from, and what kind of sales and promotions are available at the time. But lastly, you have your hybrid sprays like this one I'm using from shinearmor. This is by far the least expensive and easiest to apply option. It's perfect for somebody who wants great results without getting too involved in the process. But this is also a great option even if you already have had your car professionally ceramic coated, as you can prolong the life of that expensive coating by offering a new sacrificial layer on top. Although the application is a breeze, there's still some obvious steps to take first to ensure you get the best results possible. First, you're going to want to make sure your car is thoroughly washed and free of contaminants. So this means any kind of dirt as well as some of the tougher stuff like paint overspray, bugs, embedded road debris, or brake dust. And this also means that you might need to bust out a clay bar kit and or some iron decon spray, both of which can be picked up pretty cheap from your local auto parts store or online, but I've thrown a couple of links down in the description for you as well. Second thing you need to do is paint correction if needed. So this is going to be stuff like rock chips, swirls, and scratches, and while the coating may fill in some of the finer scratches or swirl marks, don't count on that. This is a sealer, and it's going to lock in or seal whatever is underneath. So you're going to want to make sure that your paint is in as good condition as possible because that's how it's going to stay. Finally, you can apply your product. So for our shinearmor graphene spray here, we're just going to start to apply in a sweeping motion on the car surface from about 6 to 8 inches away. And a little goes a long way here, so there's really no need to get too crazy. Once on the surface, take a clean microfiber and distribute the graphene coating. And remember, we're spreading here, not wiping. We want to keep this material on the panel for a few minutes. But after that 1 to 2 minutes is up, allowing the product to bond and to cure, come back with another clean microfiber and wipe off any excess material, ensuring there are no spots or residue marks. If you do have a dried mark, you can just spray that area again to reactivate the material and then just wipe it off. But to ensure that you don't have any product that streaks or dries prematurely, try to avoid applying your graphene spray out in direct sunlight and try to apply it during mild weather, so like 50 to 80 degrees. But after you're done with that, all there is to do is to leave everything to cure for 1 to 2 days. But during this time, avoid driving the car in the rain or washing it. However, future washes will be much easier though because dirt and water won't want to stick on the car. And while an option like this won't give you that multi-year protection like the more expensive options, you can still count on somewhere between 6 to 12 months, depending on conditions and maintenance before you need to reapply it. But it's really easy to do, and as I mentioned, it's a great add-on for some of the more involved ceramic coating jobs in order to preserve all the hard work and money that went into it. But graphene coating, is it worth it? 100% yes. Even if you have a multi-$1,000 ceramic coating on your car already, this can only benefit you if you follow the simple instructions. This is a very user-friendly option for ceramic coatings, and it does indeed do what it says it's going to do. So if you want to get some to try for yourself, click on the link in my description and use the coupon GOD20 to take 20% off your entire order. 20%. That's like if you buy 5 things at the same price, it's like getting one of them completely free. So thanks ShineArmor for the sweet product. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
And it goes like